Okay, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the top here. Just get the top. We're gonna divide it into 3 strands. And we're just gonna do a regular braid. We're just gonna do a little bit down, not super tight, just a little bit. And then I'm just going to secure that with an elastic. It doesn't have to look super nice. You're not going to be able to see all of that. And then you're actually going to lift this up and get a little bit of hair right underneath it. This is what's going to be your heart right here. So I'm going to spray it. And I'm just going to put in a ponytail right here. And we're not going to see this one either. I'm going to put a ponytail on that one. And then we're going to use a topsy-turvy, one of these things. And we're actually going to pull, put your head up please. I'm going to pull it out a little bit so it's not so straight back. And then we're actually going to figure out kind of where we want. We're going to pull this through here using the topsy-turvy. So I'm going to kind of, actually, we're going to flip this one first because that's what's going to help it with the heart part. And then we pull this down and put it, put your head up, sweetie. There we go. And we're going to use this to make it come through the braid. And then we're actually going to put this out of the way and clip it. And then we're going to kind of, like you were to do like a French braid, you're just going to pull some on each side. You pull some from each side, and then you put an elastic on it. Sorry, sweetie. Okay, and we're going to keep doing that. We're going to get some more on this side. Some more on this side. Put another elastic on it. We're going to do that again. Put another elastic on it. And then I think I'm going to do it one more. Actually, we'll probably just leave it like that. And then I'm going to get this part. I'm going to spray it a little more to help it stay better. And then I am going to split this in half. I'm just going to twist away to kind of help with that heart hairstyle. We're going to have it down here. And one thing I like to do is to put an elastic so it stays together. Okay, so it's a little loose, so what I like to do is I like to flip it so that it makes it a little bit just more spiral. And then I'm actually going to put these two together so that they stay. And I'm just going to put it twice. I don't need to do a bunch. Sorry, sweetie. And then what I like to do to keep the heart there, just use some bobby pins just to accentuate. So it stays in place throughout the day while she runs and jumps and does everything she does. And then just finish it off with a little bow and then curl the bottom. So this is the final look up. Okay, look down. There's your heart. There you go.